Good morning and Jai Hind to everyone. Welcome to my channel, Dear Classroom. So, can you all see this concept? Oh yes, you're right. Here the parallel lines are there and a transversal is intersecting them at two different points, right? So, as you can see, there is a transversal, right, of parallel lines. So, angles will also be formed. So, let's see which angles are formed. So, kids, let's learn from the nature. You can see two angles are shown by the leaf, which is at the opposite side of the transversal. These are called as alternate angles, which are formed by the intersection of two lines. Same way, you can see here we have two more angles on the two different corners. Again, they will be called as alternate interior angles. So in this part you can see four angles are formed at four corners and which are inside the two lines, that is parallel lines, right? So these angles will be called as interior angles. Again, you can see four angles are there which are in the exterior part. So these angles will be called as exterior angles. As you can see, these are on the exterior part of the parallel lines. Now, which type of angles are these? As you can see, two lines are intersecting each other at a point, and the two angles are formed which are opposite to each other, and this is called as vertically opposite angles. The same way you can see two more angles and these are called as vertically opposite angles. They are opposite to each other. Can you all see more vertically opposite angles? Yes, if you know, then do write in the comment box. In this part you can see two more angles are there, right? Yes, one is in the interior part, another one is at the exterior part. And can you all see F in this? Okay, so here we are talking about the corresponding angles. Now in this, these two angles are equal and these are called as corresponding angles because you can see in the parallel lines one angle is formed at the interior part and one is at the exterior, and these both are on the same side of the transversal as well as they are not at the same vertex. Now from this also you can see one is in the interior part, one is at the exterior part and on the same side of transversal as well as not at the same vertex. So this will be called as corresponding angles. Once again you can see the corresponding angles, right? But you can see the F in the opposite side, right? You can say as a mirror image. So these angles will be called as corresponding angles as they are on the same side of the transversal as well as on the different vertices. One more thing, one is interior, one is exterior. So these are called as corresponding angles. Okay kids, again we have the corresponding angles. As you can see, one is in the interior side, one is on the exterior side, same side of the transversal as well as not on the same vertices. So these are called as corresponding angles. Okay, so these angles are on the same side, right, on the different vertices, but these are interior angles, so they are called as co-interior angles, or we can say the angles which are on the same side of the transversal, they are interior as well as they will make supplementary angles. Okay, so these angles will sum up to 180 degree. These are called as co-interior angles. Again we can see two more angles which are on the left side of the transversal, that is same side of the transversal, right, and these are interior, so these will be making supplementary angles, right? So the angles which are on the same side on the different vertices, interior, they will make supplementary angles. These are called co-interior angles.